it's me, Jul, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while na since I posted my last video. So today, since marami nang nagbago sa skincare routine ko and at the same time sa makeup routine ko, I'll be doing it kasi aalis ako ngayon. So I have scheduled for physical examination. I don't know if that correct meaning ng APE, pero yun yun. Para sa akin yun yun. So yeah, I'll be doing my new makeup routine and skincare routine. So the toner that I'll be using is hindi na new sa video. Like, nagbabalik lang ako sa palong na to kasi nagbe-breakout toner ako. So this toner that I'm using right now is from nag-rejuvenate ulit ako and we'll see if epekto ko siya sa akin. So next is I'm gonna be using again the Ever Organics Papaya Serum. Ito pa rin yung product na gamit ko last month, hindi pa siya ubos. Nung May ko lang ito binili. Ay, hindi. March ko lang siya muna. So this moisturizer is very, I don't know. Pero hindi lang siya nag-moisturize it. Also help to brighten up my skin. Kahit morena, at least nakikita niyo yung effect ng moisturizer. So, mura lang to guys. It's only 100 pesos kapag sale. Pero pag siguro mga 145 like that. So, that time kasi meron sale. Tapos meron pa ako QR code. So, dobre sale. So, next that I'm gonna be using is the Pimple Eraser. So, back then, when I was in high school, was already the big effects in the So, yeah. It also helps starting off or nag-help siya ma-fade ng mga pimple marks. And kapag mayroon akong pimple na nakakatubo, nag-help din siya na parang, hindi siya magtutubo na sobra. I don't know if that makes sense, pero hello. I don't wanna daldal lang. I just wanna daldal.
Waking up in your bed, it's almost like I've been here forever.
So now, since I'm using rejuvenating again, so nag-learn ako ng lesson ko na kapag gumamit ako ng Rejuv or other skincare routines, dapat dadalhin ko yung lid ko kasi ang pangit tignan kapag maputi yung mukha mo tapos yung lid mo is malayo sa kulay ng tsura ko. So yeah. So since I'm using again APS, I'm using their sunblock. Supposed to be gagamitin ko talaga is sunscreen. Pero since naubusan na ako ng sunscreen, yung sunblock na lang. So yeah.
What if we move to Canada and buy some things we don't need? Bring your mother's dog, your paintbrush and some candy. And when they talk about those people,
If you're gonna ask when did I
that could be you and me.
If you're gonna ask when did I started
That could be you and me.
started using US back when 2022 ata.
That could be you and me.
So yeah, 2022.
Buy some things we don't
Early
need. Bring another star, yeah. Paintbrush and some
2021 or
candy.
2022. I don't remember kung ano talaga was
People
billions.
who up in me.
So, since new product mo,
That could be
you know, i-reveal natin dito. I mean, it's not new product. New na mga
that could be
makeup na meron ako. Makeup product na meron ako. So, yeah. Last payday, pumunta kami ng Watson. Sabi namin, mag-window shopping lang tayo. But end up buying things for skincare routine and makeups. Like,
Is she the one?
goodbye sahod. Anyway, so this is the Nishido Brow Master Eye Pencil. So, I am not fan
The one you've been dreaming
of
of. Is she
eyeliner.
the
I mean,
one?
eyebrow pencils.
I'm
But
tired of
since
staying up
na-realize ko
all
na
night with you
gusto ko rin,
on my
i-try
mind.
na,
Still I'm laying
you know,
here.
gumamit ng
Yeah, I'm
mga
laying in the show
eyebrow
you
pencil.
used to like.
And
No,
doon sabi
I
ko,
shouldn't mind.
pag nagkatrabaho, pipiliin ko talaga. So,
Does she
this
move
is the
your
Nishido.
body like I move your
So, hindi
body?
na talaga ako nagkikilay, pero dahil binili ko ito, magkikilay tayo.
Does she
But I'm
make you
gonna do it.
feel wanted? Is
So,
she
before
all
I
you
forgot, what I love
wanted?
about
'Cause I wanna
this
know,
eyebrow
yeah, I
pencil
wanna
because
know.
it has this
I
brush
want to
and then
know.
yung talagang pencil niya is, you know, is what
I want to
I love
know.
about the
Is she
eyebrow
all you
pencils.
wanted? 'Cause I wanna know,
So
yeah, I
far,
wanna
sabi
know.
naman yung product
Is
ko
she the
because
one
it was my first product
that I
ever
couldn't be
and
for you? Is she the one?
hindi naman siya nag-fade. So, yeah. Next thing na gagamitin ko is a concealer.
That
I
I'll
have
never get
Pencil Me in the
over,
shade
that I wanna get
Light,
closer
but
to.
usually ginagamit ko
I'm
talaga
tired of
is medium.
staying up
And then,
all
like, I
night
have
with you
also here the
on my
Maybelline
mind.
Roar.
Still I'm laying here,
I'm in the
yeah, I'm
shade
laying in the shirt you used to like. No, I shouldn't
after 10
mind.
ito. So,
All I
this is
think
not my
about
shade.
is,
Malamang.
does she
Super
move your
light na siya,
body
kulay ko.
like I move your body? 'Cause I
But,
wanna know, yeah, I
since
wanna
I'm on
know.
the rush, kinuha ko
Does
lang.
she make you feel
And then,
wanted? Is she all you wanted? 'Cause I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know.
Shade number 10.
I want to
Sobrang
know.
layo ng shade na to. But anyways, na-manage ko naman kapag ginagamit ko to, na-manage ko naman yung
I want to know.
kulay na
Is she
or
all you wanted?
na-manage
'Cause
ko
I wanna
naman
know, yeah, I wanna
fair
know.
siya sa skin tone ko.
I want to know.
I'll be using now the Dazzle Me in the shade Light. So, hindi ako
Does
mag-over
she
makeup
move your
ngayon.
body like
Super
I move
makeup
your
kasi
body? 'Cause I
kakasama
wanna
sa
know, yeah, I
kaibigan
wanna
ko. So,
know. Does she make you feel wanted? Is she all
Nag-gusto
you
ko nga.
wanted?
Kaso
'Cause I
ako
wanna
rin
know, yeah, I wanna
kukumit ako
know.
ng bus.
I want to
So,
know.
malapit lang naman siya, like 15 minutes or 10 minutes na travel.
I want to know. Is she all you wanted? 'Cause I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know. I wanna know, yeah, I want to know. Is she all you
So,
wanted?
sorry lang sa lighting because
Yeah, I wanna know.
umuulan ngayon, kaya heard na
Is she all you
sabi
wanted?
niya ako sa
'Cause I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know. I want to
and yung
know.
ano ko kasi yung ilaw ko or ginagamit kong pang ilaw is halabe, useless yung pinalagay kong ilaw dito, like yung ilaw talaga kasi hindi ko naman siya ginamit and nag-vlog naman ako ang bobo.
Does she ever feel
So,
like
look.
me? Run her fingers
That is the
down.
Dazzle Me concealer na may
Do you
halo
ever talk
Maybelline.
about us?
So,
Or
when
is
it
it
comes
just
to
a
Dazzle
bad
Me, yung shade ko is
time?
medium.
Yeah. 'Cause baby,
And
it's
sa
been
Maybelline
3
naman,
weeks and I'm going
ewan ko pa, iba-iba kong shade.
How
Pero yung
does she
shade na nilagay ko
taste?
talaga
Is it
is matte.
sweeter than mine was?
So, wala
I've
na
been
akong
using
magawa kasi
bodies just to get me through
nakaawi
the
na ako,
night.
be. Tapos nabuksan
Is
ko na,
it
tapos
the
nasira ko na
same
yung box.
house? 'Cause it's
let's
crazy that you're moving on so fast.
So the new product that I'll be sharing to you, the new product that I have, is the Pink Flush product. I've been using Pink Flush since 2021. And the first product na pinurchase ko sa kanila is yung concealer and yung liquids. But now, I've already purchased this two products right now. The blush, the loose powder, and loose powder and matte foundation. So I'm very happy to purchase ko ito because it really made my shade. So, yun. Shade ko siya talaga siya. Kaso I don't wanna use this one since light makeup na gagawin ko yun the Pink Flush blush.
I don't need you. It's crazy.
So my everyday routine talaga is foundation and concealer ako. But now since umuulan and hapon, so I'm just gonna go with light makeup. Kakapalan ko na lang eh. Because medyo tatagal ko na doon.
Leaving the lights on if you wanna drop by. Even my phone's
Alam,
on
binawala na yung ano
if you
niya.
feel like calling me later tonight.
This
Keeping the bed
logo.
I
Is
do,
diba, nasa loob talaga siya.
though it's wrong
Pero look,
to hold
nag-feel
on.
na siya. So,
I try to come up with 100 of reasons not to.
so next,
Beating
I'll
you
be
back to
using
my
a
heart
powder.
just by thinking of you.
Wait lang, baka may
You
nakalimutan
keep
ka.
coming over.
So, I'll be using this
Deep
loose
down you know
powder
that you
again
want
from Pink
to
Flush.
hold on.
Magla-light
Wish I
ako.
could unmiss you. Reverse the time so I could unmeet you. It would have made it so much easier, easier. If I could unmiss you and I miss you.
Alam niyo guys, madaming naganap sa buhay ko na dapat burnout ko, pero tamad talaga ako eh. Tapos yung cam ko, like, sa likod ng phone, yung back camera ko is nag-iinarte siya ngayon. Like, ewan ko, last time okay na siya. Ngayon, na I'm planning to vlog, Be, nasira na naman siya. Pero okay lang. So, hindi naman tayo namukhang
I wish I could unmiss you. Reverse the time so I
And
could
I'll be using
unmeet
this
you.
lipis na
It
rin.
would have made it
So,
so
matagal na
much
itong lipis na to.
easier, easier.
I'm still gonna use this kasi hindi naman
If I
siya
could unmiss you
expired
and I
and
miss you and you could unmiss me
it really
too.
lasts
I
really.
wish you could undo.
I'm planning to purchase a color
Made me fall
na lipis, but I don't have time to check it
It
out.
would
So,
have made it so much easier.
maybe anything soon. So yeah, I'll be using again the Caroline Skin Lip Balm. So this is my Caroline product. So before, I am really fan of Caroline. Kaso, hindi siya fit sa skin type ko. Like, ang oily ng skin ko. Tapos, pag nag-makeup ako, mas nag-oily pa rin siya. So, I changed ng nag-change ako sa ibang makeup brand. But, yeah. I really doubt it. Since doon naman talaga ako nag-start na mag-makeup lang. So, just the look. Pang everyday lang siya. So, mag-ano ako na mag-eyeliner lang ako using this Natural. But I'll be updating you later if nakaabot na ako doon. So, bye.
Before it even starts, my jacket's under the table. Your sneakers are right where they usually are.